Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix DeepSeek not sending verification code. So if you're currently facing that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Actually, I had the exact same problem myself and this is how I fixed it. So firstly, I closed my DeepSeek app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And then on this page, I just scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general, and here as you can see, so I clicked on general. And then what I did on this page, I scrolled down and I clicked on storage in here. And I just waited for this page to completely load. And when it's done, we're going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. So it's just going to take a couple of more seconds here, as you can see. Let's see, it should be done any second now. Let's see. Oh, here it is perfectly. Now you're just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. Search for DeepSeek and click on the app. Now click on Upload App and once again click on Upload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for this right here to load and then click on the blue button here again, as you can see, and then just wait for the app to actually be able to update to the latest version. So try to do this and then go back and try once again to receive a notification, or sorry, not a notification, receive a verification code, obviously. So go back into the app when it's done and then try to receive a verification code once again, because for me this worked and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.